Hi friends, it's Auntie Cuckoo. Today I am in Target sharing all things Christmas. Let's go shopping. So you know this is not my first trip to Target this season, but today I am sharing all things from Threshold to Studio McGee and of course the Wonder Shop. Christmas has hit my Target, so let's get right into what they're offering. There is a lot of gold, including these reindeer that are $10 a piece. Now I remember this hanger out last year. It does light up. It's perfect for stockings, really cute. But I am gonna make a statement and I don't want you guys to hate me. I think Walmart did better this year with Christmas. I know it came out sooner, but I just see a lot of repeats here at Target this year, although I will say when we get to the Christmas kitchen items as well as the Wonder Shop, you're going to be wowed. But this tree by Opal House is falling apart and I'm just not wowed by the amount of new items. Also, some of their prices are kind of outrageous. This greenery is gorgeous, but one of the stems is $15. Now, this is one of the items that I really did like. I think it's affordable. It's a $10 star in gold. Gorgeous. Now, that one's new. They had the standing version out again, and I believe that one came out a year or two ago. There is a lot of gold, like I said, from these different candlesticks to this one that's gorgeous. It's perfect for a centerpiece on your table. They also have a very similar looking wreath that is a hanging gold piece. I do think the new items are quite beautiful, but I'm just a little bit underwhelmed by the amount of new items. Now this is a Studio McGee hanging Noel banner. They also have a Threshold countdown. This year it's a cabin, but I would love to hear from you after the video. Who do you think did Christmas better for 2022? Target or Walmart? Cast your vote down below in the comment section, but now there's more Christmas to see here at Target.
Well, I'm all for Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes, and I want it all from the lights to the mistletoe. Tell me one thing, is there anything that you're missing? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas I only wanna be close to you. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. Well, I'm all for Christmas. It's a magical time full of kisses. Take a walk outside and tickle the snowman's nose. Moving nimbly, did you hear something from the chimney? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Oh, whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. Christmas, I only wanna be close to you.
The city is covered in snow tonight. Where did my love go? Santa, I'm waiting for him, but he's nowhere inside. And all of the presents are still by the tree. They don't mean a thing till he's here with me. If you know where he is, please give him a ride, and I will wait here by the candlelight, 'cause his love is all I need, and my love I can guarantee. So please Santa, bring back my love tonight. Sleigh bells ringing and my friends by my side, but it's not the same. Santa, I'm smiling but feeling empty inside, 'cause all of the presents are still by the tree. They don't mean a thing till he's here with me. If you know where he is, please give him a ride, and I will wait here by the candlelight, 'cause his love is all I need, and my love I can guarantee. So please Santa, bring back my love tonight. Oh, 'cause his love is all I need, and my love I can guarantee. So please Santa, bring back my love tonight, tonight.
And how gorgeous is this cookie jar? It is in a Christmas tree. I'm not sure if they will have more out as time passes. They also have some really cute gingerbread items this year in this section, which I am loving. I know that everyone is crazy for gingerbread this year. I do love the amount of gingerbread that they incorporated in some of their pieces, from the melamine to the ceramic items. And yes, we're going to see some in their mugs, but I'm a little disappointed, just a little. So I think Santa's cute. I love the little Christmas tree. I do like this gingerbread house better than last year's, but I don't love the gingerbread man that they did with it. What do you guys think? Am I the only one out here going, Target, what happened? Now, that being said, we are switching gears and headed back to the Wonder Shop so I can share all the different collections they have this year. I think they gave us a really good variety and they have quite a few collections to see. I have a favorite. I wonder if you will.
Angels we have heard on high, sweetly singing o'er the plains and the mountains in reply, echoing their joyous strains. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Gloria in excelsis Deo. this jubilee, while your joyous strains prolong what the gladsome tidings be, which inspire your happy song. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Gloria in excelsis Deo. See him in the mangle, whom the choirs of angels praise. Mary, Joseph, lend your aid, while our hearts in love we raise. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Gloria in excelsis Deo. In excelsis Deo.
Silent night, holy night, all is calm, all is bright. Round John Virgin, mother and child, holy infant, so tender and mild, sleep in heavenly peace, sleep in heavenly peace. Silent night, holy night, Son of God, love's your light, radiant beams from your holy face. With the dawn of redeeming grace, Jesus, Lord, at your birth, Jesus, Lord, at your birth.
In the quiet evening, snow is falling, and from every window shines a light. angels are calling, but no one heeds their call tonight. Christmas, oh Christmas, how we long for you. Christmas, oh Christmas, let your message once again ring true. As I walk through the streets of my old hometown, I hear sleigh bells ringing in the air. There are Christmas decorations all around. Tonight love and peace are everywhere. Christmas, oh Christmas, how we long for you. Christmas, oh Christmas, let your message once again ring true. You are bright and golden. Let it snow, let it snow. Bright and gold. Christmas, oh Christmas, how we've longed for you. Christmas, oh Christmas, the child is born anew. Christmas, oh Christmas, how we long for you. Christmas, oh Christmas, let your message once again ring true.
So that wraps up everything that I'm finding at Target for Christmas. You guys know I've taken you with me to Walmart, so now's the time to vote. Comment down below and cast your vote. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you back very soon.